As we all know, every company registered under the Companies Act 2013 must have a registered office. A registered office address is the address of the company, and it is there on the MCA website in the master data of the company. Now, what if the company wants to change its registered office or shift the registered office from one place to another? Yes, there are provisions in the Companies Act. There are provisions, there may be two situations. Once the company wants to shift the registered office within the same state. The second is when the company wants to shift the registered office from one state to another state. Now, coming to the first point, if the company is changing the registered office from within the state, the process is simple. Just the company needs to hold a board meeting, pass a resolution and file the form INC 22, attaching therewith CTC of the resolution passed, a utility bill for the new registered office address and NOC from the owner. In case there is any rent agreement, then rent agreement is to be attached in the form. The form is filed and the registered office gets changed. Now, coming to the second point, when the registered office is shifted from one state to the another state, the process is a bit long. The process involves several steps, including NOC from the creditors and also publishing a public notice in a newspaper, which is in the vernacular language of the state and also in an English newspaper. Starting the process, the first step is hold the board meeting, pass a resolution for shifting of the registered office, authorize the director to sign the petition, and then authorize a person or professional to appear before the RD office on behalf of the company, then convene an EGM, finalize the notice for the EGM. EGM notice to be sent to the shareholders, the EGM to be convened, and the shareholder passes the resolution for shifting of the registered office and also altering the situation clause of the memorandum of association of the company. Once these are done, a form is to be filed with the ROC and then a public notice to be appeared in two newspaper, one is in English and one in the vernacular language, which is there in the state where the registered office is situated. Once the public notice is done, then you need to prepare a petition, and the petition will enclose all the documents like certificate of incorporation, memorandum, all the resolutions passed and a copy of the copy of your public notice and also the NOC from the creditors and so on. One complete set is to be sent by speed post to the chief secretary of the state or the union territory. Then one set is to be sent to the ROC office by speed post and also by email. Then you file GNL 1. In that GNL 1 is to be filed, which goes to the ROC. It contains all the petition and every document, and after that you file a form INC 23. It goes to the RD office, and simultaneously the original set of the petition along with the original documents to be submitted to the RD office, the regional director's office of the state where your registered office is situated. The regional director verifies the petition, calls for any hearing if required, and they pass a appropriate order for shifting the registered office. The RD passes their order. In the order, the RD may specify a penalty amount which is to be paid by the company. Once the company pays the amount, then it files the order in form 28. The form 28 is approved. Once it is done, the company can file the INC 22 for shifting of the registered office. Once it is done, the process gets completed and the new registered office is updated on the MCA master data. This is the complete process. After that, the PAN and TAN of the company is to be changed for the registered office address. The bank is to be informed about the change of the registered office address, IEC registration, MSME registration, GST registration. If there is any other registration, those are to be updated with the new address, and also if there is any FDI in the company, the RBI is to be informed. Also your letterhead, the signboard of the company, they should contain the new address. This is the complete process for shifting of the registered office. Thank you very much.